As you can see, the installation is so easy. Just one screw and this one, so you can tilt it this way. The cable goes inside the arm with these accessories, so it won't be clogged or anything. And you can move it around really easily, one hand operation, okay? So this mount is a great one. If you want to upgrade your TV experience, this is a really nice option. Sanus TV mount. Thank you. As you can see, the TV mount allows you to really move your TV set far away from the wall and put it almost in an 80 degrees angle from the wall. So if you want to see your TV from the side, you are able to do it. Like from this table, you can see the TV really clearly, okay? And it's easy to move it with one hand. Friends, we are going to install this Sanus preferred TV FluidMotion wall mount. It's a big one. It's for TVs from 37 to 90 inches. And we like it because it has a really wide range to getting the TV from the wall and turning it to any side. We get the drilling guide. This will help you to drill the holes in the wall. The user manual and all the parts. Okay, so let's do it and see how it looks.